What's up, guys? We're back here with another video, and today I'm gonna go find Frost. I believe this is the fun stuff. Hey. So let's just first check in the dining room. I can't see him in the dining room. Let's check here in the front room. Can't see him. Not in the kitchen, I can't see him. But he might be in the living room. I miss the cold North Pole. Find. Huh? He misses the cold North Pole. Hang on here for a second. Find me. I miss the cold North Pole. Find me. What place is cold in my house, guys? Outside. He's outside. That's the last place I'm gonna check. I'm gonna let my cat in. What's cold in our house? I'm gonna go ask my dad what's cold in our house. So I'll see you guys when I do that. Guys, the freezer or the fridge, oh my gosh. Oh! He's at the maple syrup. No, he literally thought that was the North Pole. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. Look at this. He thought this is the brand log cabin, and there's this like cabin on it, and he thought that was the North Pole, and he's right by the maple syrup. What the heck? Look, guys, Frost is right there. Oh my God. Well, I guess we're just gonna have to be careful. Guess we can't use the maple syrup today. Nope. Let's put that clue back in the spot it was in, because my sister's gonna wanna probably find it. So yeah, that was cool, like a little scavenger hunt. So yeah.